Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and had a very happy Diwali in India and preparing for Christmas in all the states abroad, all the countries abroad, and are taking all the necessary precautions to stay safe from this COVID situation. So here I am today to thank you all for for making this channel, for making your channel reach 10K subscribers. So yes, we have reached 10K subscribers and it is a very happy day today for all of us. So today I'm going to share my teaching journey, how far, how it has been so far and what all have I experienced. So it all started from teaching my brother, my younger brother and his schoolmates at home during my BTech, which soon transformed into a batch of students filling my entire room. So then during my MTech, while I was preparing for UGC NET, I was asked to deliver a demo lecture on database, and from the response which they received after my lecture, they asked me if I could also teach the other subjects such as digital image processing and computer graphics, data structures. So it all extended to a number of subjects later on. So, but basically, initially they hired me for the subjects which they couldn't get teachers easily for the subjects such as digital image processing and so on. But with the kind of response they achieved, I mean, the number of batches that I used to get to deliver lectures, they slowly and slowly they increased from one lecture a week, then two lectures a week, then around, I mean, then there was a time when, I used to have lectures for throughout the week, and then during my weekend I also used to have this weekend batch where I remember there was a time when I used to have an 8 hour duration long lecture with with a break of half an hour or 1 hour so for the lunch break on weekends. So, and when I used to return back home, I used to be filled with so much enthusiasm and eternal peace, and there was no fling of tiredness on my face. So, it was then when I realized that teaching is one thing that I will never get tired of, and which we all call as, our passion. And thereon, I got this idea of basically I've already shared this that this idea of developing this YouTube channel, it all started with the thought of posting videos or sharing my lectures with the UGC net students. With my UGC net students, I used to teach for UGC net students initially and also for GATE students. But for UGC net students, what was the story? The story was that the students used to come from different places to take coaching in Chandigarh. So I used to teach in Chandigarh. So students used to come from different places to take this coaching and used to stay in PGs. And after their exam, they used to go back. After their UGC NET exam, they used to go back and wait for the result. But as we all know, it is very difficult to, clear any exam in the first attempt, and it is rare that you get it cleared. It's not impossible after all. It all depends upon your preparation and the practice that you do basically. So, but it is difficult to come back. It was very difficult for them to come back again for the institute coaching, pay the PG rents again, and also spare their, they used to take leave from their various teaching institutions. Many of them were also working. So also it was very difficult for them to manage, take out that time for themselves, which is really difficult in nowadays also for working women. So it was very difficult for them to come back for the institutional coaching and to attend the lectures. So, but then I came up with this idea that why not, you know, put the lectures online. and share it with them so that they can view and practice the lectures. They can view the lectures, practice the things by staying where they are, by staying at a convenient location. And this, I was glad to see that this was not only supported by them, but was supported by various viewers, various students, various teachers from different parts of the world. And that was then when I realized that yes, I have some potential, I have some skill which helps people to understand the things in a better manner. So I never say that I have something, I have a lot of knowledge. No, I always keep saying that everybody is always learning, and I know a very little portion of what many people might be knowing. But yes, I do know that I have a skill in which I can explain something in some manner that person who is listening to me will get a good understanding of it. And that is all which is required according to me in teaching. Obviously knowledge is also required, but what use is of knowledge if you are not able to share it with the other people? And so I made this channel to share my knowledge, to share whatever amount of knowledge I have with all the people I can through this medium. And I would like to share an incident. I remember I went to attend a conference in Pune, and I met my first non-contact viewer in person. So she was a student there in the college, and in the BTech college, she was a BTech student. And she told me that, how useful the content you post is for us. So she actually shared that she used to view the computer architecture organization lectures, and she said that many a times they don't understand the numerical part from the book, but when they view the videos, it becomes a lot clearer to them. So it was really helpful for her and her batchmates. And later she even brought some doubts, marked in her book. And I was feeling very joyful while explaining the things to her. And so it was my first experience, and it really felt great. I mean, it was a very good experience, very good feeling that I had that time. That yes, not that people are knowing me, but people are appreciating my work. For me, it has always been that my work should represent me. Uh, so that is why I've always focused in, taking my work to that level that it represents me and it helps the community that surrounds me. So that was a really good experience. Now, also I would like to highlight that the main you can say the factor behind the success of our channel is the comments that you all people post, the wonderful comments that you post where you express your appreciation, support, or ask me different questions or suggest me different topics to post videos on. They are the main reason for the success of our channel. I mean, you might not be knowing, but you don't know the ways in which it motivates the speaker, the one who is preparing the content for the channel. It really motivates the person a lot. I mean, there are the positive comments that you post have a huge potential of motivating me and always keep me going and delivering my best. Therefore, towards this end, I once again thank all of you for all your kind support for the success of our channel and request you all to keep supporting it and sharing it with all your contacts, because knowledge, I believe that knowledge only increases by sharing. And you don't know that someone might be in need of such distant help, and your one share might prove to be a great help for them. So please, please, please do share the channel with and any useful video that you might think might help some of your friends or your contacts. Do share the channel with most of the people you can. And also, because I had continued posting videos on this channel because of my essential PhD submissions, the reach has gone a bit, you know, low because of the YouTube algorithm. So I'll request you all to like this video and comment any comment that you would like to provide as a feedback or your support, to comment on the videos, on this video or on the videos that I share, to increase the reach of our channel and to provide the content available to most of the people to which we can. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.